Hi, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. I had PLTR on my watch list. I was actually watching it pre-market and traded it pre-market. I traded it as an inverse head and shoulders reversal. It had gapped down and it was quite extended from the VWAP. And head and shoulders are one of my most favorite patterns to trade. It's just you can really clearly see them. As you can see here, right here on the 1 minute, this is the left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. I started watching it when it made this left shoulder because I saw that the volume came in and it pushed down through this daily level that I have marked. And then here you have the head, which pushed down a little bit further than this left shoulder. And I kept watching it. It pulled back about the same area as this neckline right here. And then it came back down, tested the same, around the same level as this left shoulder. And when it started making new highs, you have the 9 and the 20 moving averages curling up and crossing over. That's where I went long with a stop loss below this right shoulder right here. And you also have the confirmation on the 15-minute chart. This is a really nice hammer doji that closed on the 15-minute chart. So I took it long. I partialed 50% at the 20 on the 5. And then because it had gapped down so much, I didn't want it to flush. So as soon as it made a new 5-minute low, I exited the rest of my position. And then this is my not so proud Tesla trade. I forced this trade. It was not a perfect setup. I was watching it as it approached this daily level. I believe this was yesterday's low. And I was watching to see how it was going to treat this. And I felt like it was going to reject it by the price action. It pushed up this first time. And I was wanting it to push up a second time and fail. And it never did push up a second time. I just was watching these, the 1 minute candles close as shooting star dojis, and like I said, I forced it. I went short when I saw that it was making new 5-minute lows, and these the 9 and the 20 started curling down on the 1 minute. I took a 50% partial at this moving average on the 5-minute, and then it came back and stopped me out, and I entered it a second time when I could see more clearly that the 9 and the 20 on the 1 minute were curling down and this 50 was coming up to meet it. My stop loss was above these moving averages on the 1 minute, and I took 50% partial once again at moving averages. This one is at, I believe, the 9 on the 15, and then at the VWAP. And then when it started breaking up through these moving averages again, I just went ahead and exited my entire position. Yes, this trade worked out, but I'm slapping myself on the hand because it was not a good setup and it very well could have went against me. But those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.